In today's video, I'm going to create 3 super easy text animations in After Effects. The project link will also be provided in my Discord, so make sure to join my Discord server. Let's start creating the animations.
This is our first text animation. Add your text. Click on this arrow. Then add your first animator as position. Add opacity property. Then increase the Y value by 50. And decrease the opacity to 0. After that, keyframe its offset value. Make a keyframe at the beginning and set its value to 0. Then skip 1 second and change its value to 100. Select both keyframes and hit F9 and copy this speed graph. Then for the outro, go to the end of your clip and place 2 keyframes like this. Set the value of the last keyframe to 0. And copy this speed graph. You can also add blur property if you want. And that's it. This is our second text animation. First, add effect, blur and fade in. Select your layer and hit U. Then drag the second keyframe closer. Select both keyframes and hit F9 and copy this speed graph. Then add another effect, blur and fade out. Select your layer and hit U. Bring both keyframes closer and easy ease them. And copy this speed graph. And that's it. The third animation is quite difficult. Focus on this one. First, add effect, a slow fade on. Select your layer and hit U. Bring both keyframes closer and easy ease them. And copy this speed graph. Then add another effect named increase tracking. Select your layer and hit U. Place its first keyframe in the beginning and the other one in the end of the clip. Change the end keyframe's value to 25. Select both keyframes and hit F9 and copy this speed graph. Then add another effect named fade out slow. Select your layer and hit U. Position both keyframes like this. Select both keyframes and hit F9 and copy this speed graph. Now the final step. Keyframe its scale. Place one keyframe in the beginning and another in the end of the clip, and increase the end keyframe's value by 10%. Select both keyframes and hit F9. And copy this speed graph. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more awesome tutorials.